Hello to all my baddies. It's me, Aesthetic Baddie, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a YouTube outro. But this isn't a baddie outro, this is a aesthetic outro. If you guys want me to teach you guys how to make a baddie outro, just comment down below. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I make a new video. The first app we're going to go into is Safari, and you're going to find your background. I'm going to search up Tumblr aesthetic Care Bears, which I already searched that up, but yeah, just showing you guys. And then the reason why I'm doing Care Bears is because it matches my intro. So yeah. So I really like this, but I saw an image that was different, that was like that, but it had like glitter and stuff. So when I looked at these, I really liked this one. But yeah, I saw one that was glitter. Yeah, it was this one. I mean, you can use anything to find your backgrounds. I heard there's a lot of different apps like WeHeartIt and Pinterest and all of that. But I'm just going to be using Google. I'm going to go ahead and add this to my photos. And the next app we're going to be using is Thankyou. And when you go into Thankyou, you're going to press plain images. You're going to press the numbers at the top and the custom. And the numbers are 1280 and 720. And you're going to press use and save. Next, you're going to go to these three bars and press add image. And you're going to go to the image. You're going to press the image that you saved from Google. Size it. If you have a plain image, you can like make it big like this, like bigger, and it'll cover the whole entire image. But since I don't have a plain image, I want to get all the cameras in this image. So, I think, yeah. Next, you're going to save this image. We're going to go to Safari and search up YouTube Insulate template. Okay, so I'm debating between which template to use. I don't know if I want to use this one or like something like that, or do I use this one? I think I'm going to use this one. And you're just going to add that to your phone. We're going to go back to Thankyou. And you're going to press the camera. And you're going to go to photo album and press the picture that we just recently saved. Next, you're going to press add image, press the outro insulate that we saved, and size it up. You're going to want to make sure this is at least somewhat perfect, because this is gonna I'm gonna tell you guys this is gonna help you in the long run, so make sure it's at least somewhat perfect. Okay, mine is perfectly in there. Now you're gonna press alpha and make it to where you can kind of see it, but you kind of can't, like around there. And it may be different for either picture you have, so don't use the exact alpha that I use, but you can, I don't know, maybe different. Next, you're gonna press add item, and you can choose any of these. I think I'm gonna do so this one and a plain. So with the plain one, I'm going to press color. I'm gonna do like an orange color. Alpha will be like that. And then for this one, we're gonna be doing like, I'm just gonna do like a yellow color. I don't really like it. Do more like a, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. Oh, you don't make this one into an alpha. Sorry. Make it regular, and that's how it looks. And you're going to size this up with each square. You may have to do all the height and stuff. Okay, now you got that to your desired thing. And I just used this outline, but I'm gonna make it like a little bit skinnier. Like that. So from these two squares that we made, the alpha one, we're gonna put down first. Size it up, bingo. Gotta not right to it. Size it up, bingo. Next, we're gonna put the other one on there. Size it up. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger because it's an outline. Like that. Boom, bingo. Wait. So you're gonna do the same thing to the other square that's over there. Alright, now we're gonna look at this one, the alpha one. And we're gonna look at the size of it. 125/72. So boom, we're gonna make this one 125. And then the height is 72. Color, we're gonna do it purple. We're gonna do this one purple and blue. And then make it alpha. And then the outline of this one color. Wait, no, that's not the outline. Let me see. It's 127/73. Now we're gonna add a circle. Size it right. We're done with like the shapes and stuff. Now you can add the text. I'm gonna add it to my my template, and that's what it looks like. Okay, so that's how it looks. I think, should I make it bigger? Okay, there we go. I got the picture, which is that, and which is this. The alpha template that you had, you're going to go ahead and delete it. Now you can finally delete it. And boom, your picture should look just like this. Or somewhat like this. Or whatever your template looks like, it should look like this. And, yeah. I'm gonna add some more text to it. Thank you for watching. Yeah, and I'm not gonna do that rainbow because I don't want so much. And you could do, should I do this font? I'm gonna do this font. And I'm gonna keep it white. Like and subscribe. And boom. How do you guys like this? Here is how it looks. I am in love. I love it. And this is how I made my outro. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're a baddie. Make sure you hit that notification bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.